So usually in Cisco packet tracer, what we used to do is when we create some kind of topology and we want to test the network, or you can say connectivity in some devices, then what we do is we go in command prompt and we write this ping command, right? And we just know by this issuing this ping command that if we are getting some packets, like we are sending this much packet, we are receiving this much packet, and there is no loss, and we are seeing this kind of output. So this is nothing but a ICMP protocol running in the background. So in today's video, we'll understand that how we can use this ping command, or how we can simulate this ping command inside NS3. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So once again, we are in our virtual machine. Now, this is the code to simulate ping that we have seen in the Cisco packet tracer, right? So this is the program. I'll upload this on my GitHub repository, and the link of that repository, I'll make sure to add that link inside the description box. So you just check out the description. Now, the thing is, these are the general imports, right? This is the like if you want to see the animation inside the native, then you can include this, and don't forget to include this, because using this only internet app module, you'll be enabled to use ping helper. Then you can, this is how you can enable the log component for the ping. So basically it will print some information, some useful information on the screen, and you can change the how much deeper you want to go inside the log information. So you are just printing the log level info. Then this much of the code, it will set up the basic topology. And if you remember the first topology, .cc file, I have explained this file in my previous video, so you can watch those videos. I'll make sure to add the videos of that, the link of those videos into this description box, and this will simulate the point-to-point topology. This code may vary, but now when it comes to the first .cc, here they have used this something called UDP Eco Server Helper, and there are lots of ways to have communication between two nodes inside NS3. So this is one of them, UDP Eco Server Helper. Then there are lots of different ways, like you can also simulate TCP using on-off helper, and there are lots of other ways. We can create our custom applications also, and ping is one of them. So now instead of doing this UDP Eco Helper and creating separate server, separate client, we can use this ping helper. And how we can do this is we can just use this ping helper, and inside the constructor we can give a parameter, the IP address of the destination, like where we want to apply the ping. So remember the command ping and then the IP address. So that IP address that we want to ping in the Cisco packet tracer, we can write it here. So I'll ping on this IP address. I'll try to ping on this IP address, right? So the destination IP of my ping packet, that will be this. So that packet is nothing but basically ICMP. And then there are three. Basically, these are the attributes that will configure mostly, but there are several different parameters that attributes that you can what you can say configure. So internal, basically the gap between two packets size, means the size of one packet, then the count, so how many packets that we want to send. Then this is the nothing but simple configuration of ping helper, right? We have used this variable, so we can later on use the CMD values, right? From the command line we can user can change values, so that's why we have took this variables over here. Then after the ping application has been set up, we can just use application container, so that we can configure the actual server, or we can also say it client. So basically from this node we will try to ping the this what you can say this destination IP address. So from 0th node we will try to ping this IP address, and this is nothing but the simulator setting up configuration. and this is how you can use ping. So this will make our interpretation of this NS3 very easy, and this will be very like it will be, there are less lines of code rather than simulating this UDP, TCP, and something like that. So now that we have file, we can just use this command, and as you can see, we have 5 packets transmitted, 5 packets received, so that means 0% of packet loss. And this is nothing but the similar the information that we have seen on the Cisco packets, and these are nothing but the log level info, right? So that we have enabled using log component. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you've got the idea about how you can use ping helper inside the NS3. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.